This is Etha Mala Ella Morawaka. This is, you have to turn from Morawaka, Akurassa Morawaka Road, and come about 3 kilometers, turning from Nilwala Ella Estate near the factory, and you will reach here within few minutes. A beautiful place. Nothing much of people. No people at all. You can have a good bath. No danger at all. Beautiful. Everywhere the jungle. Why this is Etha Mala Ella means they have a story behind this. That means there has been an elephant dropped from this place and died. That is why they call it Etha Mala Ella. Etha atek වැටිලා මරුණු නිසා තමයි Etha Mala Ella කියලා මේකට කියන්නේ. Nice place. You have to turn from Nilwala Ella Estate Road, that is road from Akurassa to Morawaka, in between 3 kilometers from Morawaka towards Akurassa.